2,264 largest, 3 same-digit number in string. This Java solution uses a clever reverse iteration approach to find the largest good integer. The most brilliant insight in this code is the overwrite to win strategy. By iterating from smallest to largest digits and always updating the answer when a match is found, it naturally ensures the final result is the maximum without needing explicit comparisons. It's a great example of how clever iteration order can simplify algorithm logic. Let me break down how it works. 1. Pre-computed array creates an array with all possible 3 same-digit strings from 000 to 999. This eliminates the need to construct strings during runtime. 2. Sequential check strategy iterates through the array from smallest to largest, 000 to 999, uses num.contains to check if each pattern exists as a substring key insight. When multiple patterns exist, the later ones, larger digits, will overwrite earlier ones. 3. Overwriting logic ands gets updated each time a pattern is found. Since we iterate from small to large, the final value will be the largest good integer. If no patterns are found, ands remains empty string. Key insights. Simple logic. Easy to understand and debug, handles all cases, automatically covers all possible 3-digit patterns, natural max finding. The iteration order ensures the largest match wins, no complex comparisons, avoids manual character comparison logic. Thanks for watching.